Hey guys, Uncle Ray. Welcome to another episode of the Crypto Bellwether. I don't know if you're aware, but they're about to kick off the Bitcoin Global Conference down in Miami. It's from the 6th through the 9th. Now, I've already found out some exciting information I want to share with you guys, but they've been talking about a lot of things that are going to come out that are extremely positive. There's been a lot of rumors that there's a big bombshell, something as big as like when El Salvador adopted Bitcoin as their currency. Now, before I tell you what I just learned from Kevin OLeary, please hit that like button. We're trying to grow this community, and it helps us a lot, and we want you to be part of it. Now, if you follow me at all, you'll understand that the main thing I care about, that all that really matters, is following the big money, the smart money. That's the banks and the large institutions and corporate America and maybe the governments. They move the market. Quite frankly, the retail side doesn't even put a dent in just what one hedge fund guy can do in an afternoon deploying his billions and billions of dollars. Now, Kevin OLeary just stated in a podcast that I was listening to that uh, it starts on the 6th through the 9th, and the first day is only for institutional people, the hedge fund guys, the bankers, um, the huge corporations, you know, the big money guys. They are going to be there on Friday, and they're going to be talking to people like Michael Saylor and Kevin OLeary and the billionaire twins uh, down in Miami. They're going to be getting all this information. Now, why I'm so excited is I just created a trading system for Bitcoin. And if you haven't watched that video, please check it out in the playlist. But my theory and my thesis of how I'm going to trade Bitcoin for the next 10 years is we're going to trade the sentiment and the awareness, the adoption, and then we'll use the technicals to get in and out. But I want to bring your attention to the awareness part. There's 1,500 to 2,000 of the most powerful money movers in the world going to be down in Miami. And so that's their awareness, no matter what level they're on. And as you probably know, because you're already in crypto, I assume that the more you know about crypto and Bitcoin and the more you understand, the more excited you get and the more you buy and the more you change your strategy in your portfolio. Well, in my strategy that I talk about in the video, awareness, after that, you have a delay because once you're aware, then the large institutions and the hedge funds and those bankers are going to go back and they are going to plan a strategy and they're going to deploy that capital. There's going to be a delay, but that adoption is going to kick in. So I don't know when, but guys, that is so positive. I mean, I can't even tell you how excited I am to know that those powerful people are down there among the most educated and the biggest believers of Bitcoin and crypto and digital assets in the world. Those guys, I can't even comprehend, and I probably will never miss another one. I can't comprehend how positive that environment is going to be. And you think about a hedge fund guy that maybe has $1 trillion under management, and he goes and gets to talk to people like Kevin OLeary, who I don't know if you know, but Kevin OLeary just got a dual citizenship in Dubai so that he can partner with that country in doing Bitcoin mining. And that's what he's going to be talking about because they're going to have uh, they're going to get into Bitcoin mining that is ESG friendly, that meets all the climate regulations, and they're going to use wind, solar, renewable energy. So anyway, I kind of got sidetracked, but one thing else I want to tell you is that there's some big news coming out. I don't know what it is, but this market, guys, when the institutions start to come in, it's going to change. The volatility is going to get less and less. And Now, this is not financial advice and there are no guarantees, but I promise you that the days of $50,000 Bitcoin are going to be gone forever. And the only way it will ever touch 50,000 once the institution, I'm not talking about tomorrow, and I might not even be talking about this year, but once those institutions start deploying their money, it is going to skyrocket and it's going to get a lot more stable. And guys, if you can, try to get you 1 Bitcoin, 2 Bitcoins, 3 Bitcoins. It'll be life changing, guys. In the next 10 years, there's no telling. The sky is the limit in Bitcoin. And I don't know if you know it or not, but they just mined the 19th millionth Bitcoin. So it's a positive time, guys, in Bitcoin and in crypto. Anyway, I just wanted to share that news with you guys. I promise you, no matter what you do or how you trade, follow the adoption and the money. That's it. Everything else is a byproduct. I don't care about the technicals. It doesn't matter. If all you understand is that Bitcoin is going to be a lot more valuable in the next 10 years than it is right now, that's all we got to know. So that means we never take a loss. We buy the dips and we stack the dumps. You do that for the next 10 years and you're going to be damn glad you did. That's one of my plans. Again, find that video, guys. I'm excited about my trading program because I think it's rock solid and bulletproof. And if you don't agree with it, please let me know in the comment section. I'm all ears. I'm here to learn. I don't need to be right. I just want to be correct in my thinking. And my thinking is, guys, Bitcoin is the future. The adoption is about to explode. It's happening with Canada and Russia. That has set off something that is absolutely unbelievable. This is the first time they even had the institutional people in Miami for the Bitcoin conference. It sold out immediately. So think about that, guys. The big boys and the big girls are going to start stepping into Bitcoin. And trust me, they're going to start in Bitcoin, guys. We need some more regulation, but they're going to be slow moving. They'll go to Bitcoin first, then they'll start moving into Ethereum, and then it may spread around the other cryptos. But guys, the safest bet, and this is not financial advice, and this is crypto, there's always risk, but the safest money on the planet, in my opinion, right now, is putting your money in Bitcoin. Now, let's think about this. No matter how you trade or what you trade, guys, I like everything crypto. I even like the meme coins. I like it all. It's all fun, it's all exciting, and it's all positive. But do not get into any crypto that's not going to be better than Bitcoin and Ethereum. If Bitcoin for the last 10 years has averaged 150%, in my opinion, with no risk. So if you are going to get into a crypto that's not going to go up 150% every year for the next 10 years, why are you messing with it? It's just putting more risk. So keep your risk reward down. Put your big money, now this is just my opinion, put your big money in Bitcoin and Ethereum. After that, you know, do the high flyers. I do them. I love them. I like to do ICOs. I'll do every one that I can personally get into and I have the money. I wish I had more money. I would be in 100 crypto ICOs if I could do it. But that being said, guys, I didn't mean to get on a rant, but man, this has got me excited. I'm almost wanting to jump in my car and drive to Miami. I don't want to miss it. But there's going to be a lot of different stories come out of there. I can almost guarantee you, I can feel it in my bones, guys. This market is going to rock and roll. I feel it. And if we do not have like a black swan event this year, Bitcoin is going to take out its old high and it's going to head to 100K. Mark my words. I've been saying that and been stacking all year. Nothing's changed. And if Bitcoin crashes, guys, I mean a crash, you can bet your ass that the stock market, the real estate market, and everything else started it. And yes, Bitcoin will follow. But guys, in the next 10 years, I don't care if Bitcoin falls apart. you go stack and stack and stack those Satoshis, guys, and it'll pay off. I promise you. Now, that is not financial advice, and I shouldn't be promising, but guys, get involved with Bitcoin. Put your big money in that. Do not spread it around and everything else. Put it in the most conservative investment in the world, in my opinion. It's safer than the stock market. It's damn sure safer than real estate and everything else right now. Again, I got to say it, not financial advice. I didn't mean to get on a rant. Anyway, that's some pretty good news. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Hit that like button, mash the notification bell, and let me know what you think in the comment sections. And come back. I'll keep you informed all during the Bitcoin conference. Take care, guys.